End of the second 9 weeks is today. Notebook check is first. It'll go in a series of different orders. The first is I want to see all the notebooks from everybody who believes they have everything in their notebook, which means you're not missing any notes, homeworks, tests, quizzes, subworks, or anything else. You have absolutely everything. Only those with everything can come up first. And that means you have all notes, all tests, all after tests, and all homeworks. For the third 9 weeks, you have to know these rules. Here are the rules for homework for the third 9 weeks. If you are absent with an excuse when it is assigned, if you're out and your absence is excused, then you can make it up. You get the same number of days that you were out to turn in the assignment. But once those days expire, then it goes to a 0. If your absence is unexcused when the assignment is assigned, then it's a 0. That's why we have unexcused and excused to begin with. If you're absent when homework is checked, but you had your homework, then you can give it to me when you come back if your absence is excused. For the warm-up quiz, if you talk to somebody while it's going on, it's a 0, and if you look at somebody else's stuff, then it's a 0. Also, I have many different versions of this warm-up quiz with different keys that I have to memorize before I grade them. So if you end up with the right answers but to the wrong version, then that's not a good idea. The time limit is 2:30, so when you come in, get ready to go, because all the time you take to get ready while the clock is counting down goes against you. And all of this covers stuff we've already had a test over before, so it's nothing new. If you're absent with an excuse, which means you've missed the warm-up quiz, if you're absent, it won't count against you if your absence is excused. It just won't show a grade in the book. If it shows a 0, then it does. But if it's blank, it doesn't count against you. And if your absence is unexcused, then it'll be a 0.